I'm Dana K. White. I am the author of multiple books, including Organizing for the Rest of Us, Decluttering at the Speed of Life, and more. And I'm the creator of the No Mess Decluttering process. So one of the key supplies for the No Mess Decluttering process is the donatable donate box. It has to be donatable, meaning I'm not going to reuse that box. The box itself is going to go to the donation place along with the stuff that's inside of it, so I never have to go back through it again and question what I put in there, and also so that I don't, put stuff in there thinking, future me will know what to do. No, it's like a final destination for something to go in the donate box. Donate boxes have turned into one of my very favorite things. I love donate boxes. So today I'm going to share with you 3 places to keep a donate box in your house. You could keep them in a lot more places. That would be great. But this is just 3 ideas that have been helpful for me, that helped me especially early on in what I call my deslobification process, just to have easily accessible places for me to stick something in the donate box the minute that it occurred to me that I needed to let it go, right? Like there's something about being able to have that moment of, okay, I know exactly what to do with it. I am done with that thing. Yes, I'm going to take the donate box away and take it to the thrift store or wherever I'm donating, but I'm done with decisions on that item. I never have to think about it. I never have to look at it. I never have to handle it again. And as long as I have easily accessible ongoing donate boxes, that makes that easy. And the more that I do that, it builds my decluttering muscles. And I found, especially when my kids were young and I was starting this process, I had to admit to myself that a lot of their attachment to stuff was because they had seen me be attached to my own stuff. I saw that the more I put stuff in the donate box, in the minute that I realized I didn't need it anymore, and they observed that happening and they saw the donate boxes around, they came to the point where they were more willing to put things in the donate box. Now, Reed might be like, I don't remember that or that, what, but I started to see, especially when they were young, even now, I started to see that they would have realizations that these shoes I just tried on are too small. These, this toy that I just played with, actually that's kind of a baby toy, whatever. And they would think to go put it in the donate box because they knew where it was and it was accessible. So 3 places where I like to keep donate boxes. Number 1, in the laundry room. Now, I don't have a big space because this is an actual walk-through area, which I don't love, but the house we have is the house we have, right? I like to keep a donate box in here. I like to keep a little bit bigger than this, and I usually can fit bigger than that, but that's the one that I have right now. The reason I like to keep it in the laundry room is so that as something comes out of the dryer, if it crosses my mind or someone else's mind that, actually, I washed this because I had thrown it on the floor because I didn't want to wear it, because I don't actually like it, or because whatever, it can go straight into the donate box. Or you realize that something's outgrown, or for whatever reason, something was dirty that you knew you needed to donate, so you threw it into the wash. Well, now that donate box is right there, okay? Another place that I like to have a donate box is in my closet. You can have one in everybody's closet. So that as I am going through things and I realize, I'm gonna wear this. Oh, no, I'm not gonna wear that. I can just put it right into the donate box. If you try something on, but it was clean enough for you to have worn, but then you don't wear it, you can just go ahead and stick it in the donate box, right? Because it's still clean, right? Stick it in there immediately. The other place I really like to have a donate box is in our garage, just right as you leave. That is just for all the random things, so that in the moment where the realization happens that, oh, it's time to let this thing go, I can say, well, go stick it in the donate box, and people know where that is, or I know exactly where to go, that there's always going to be a donate box there. There wasn't actually until I went and put one there just now. So I guess that was because we had taken it away, but whatever. there's usually a donate box there. So having that donate spot, having the donate box ongoing, that helps create a lifestyle of decluttering. It just makes it part of your everyday life to consistently be letting things go, and that makes it all easier. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.